Mastering demonstrative adjectives, singular and plural. Hello language enthusiasts! Today we're diving deep into the world of English grammar. Our focus? Demonstrative adjectives, and more specifically, we'll be zooming in on singular and plural demonstrative adjectives. By the end of this session, you will have a better understanding of how to use these adjectives in different contexts. Demonstrative adjectives are special words that we use to point towards something specific. In English, the demonstrative adjectives are this, that, these, and those. This and that are used with singular nouns, while these and those are used with plural nouns. Example: this book is mine. Singular. Those dogs are cute. Plural. These words may seem simple, but they play a pivotal role in helping us express precisely what we mean. Now let's discuss the singular demonstrative adjectives, this and that. 1. This is used for something that is near or close to us, both in terms of physical distance and time. Example: 2. This cat, the cat that is here, close to me. 3. This week, the week that is currently happening. 4. That is used for something that is farther away, in terms of both physical distance and time. Example: 5. That car, the car that is over there, not close to me. 6. That year, the year that happened in the past. On to the plural demonstrative adjectives, these and those. 1. These is the plural form of this. It refers to multiple things that are near. Example: 2. These apples, the apples that are here, close to me. 3. Those is the plural form of that. It refers to multiple things that are farther away. Example: 4. Those birds, the birds that are over there, not close to me. And there you have it. Now you're equipped with knowledge about singular and plural demonstrative adjectives in English. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, take what you've learned today and try to apply it in your everyday English conversations. We hope you found this video helpful. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.